Hello KonnectzIT family, welcome to KonnectzIT training videos. Today in this video I'll be showing you how you can actually send an WhatsApp message. So whenever there is an order update on your WooCommerce. So basically you will be taking data from your WooCommerce orders and send an WhatsApp message. For example, you can send a delivery messages. So when your order is ready, you can send a delivery message to your customer saying that your order is ready to pick up or your order is processing or complete. So how we can do this, all this we using KonnecttzIT. So I'll just show you how to do that. So before you creating a workflow, you have to authorize WhatsApp inside the apps page. So to authorize WhatsApp, let us search for WhatsApp app. Just click on app and click on add account. So this will going to ask you for token, phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID. So basically you guys have to create an WhatsApp cloud API account. So I already shown in a video, in my previous video, how to create an WhatsApp cloud API account and also how to generate an permanent access token. So it has to be a fresh number, so make sure you use the fresh number so that it will be easy. So I had shown you that video, I will add that video in the description, so please do follow that video and just generate an access permanent access token. So that will be something look like this, but this is a temporary access token. So I had shown you how to generate a permanent access token. You have to copy this and go to KonnecttzIT and paste inside KonnecttzIT. And similarly phone number ID, so that will be available. How to add a phone number and all everything I had shown in the previous video, make sure you follow that. Just copy that phone number ID and paste it. And WhatsApp business account ID, so copy this and paste it and just click on S and continue. So this will going to authorize your account inside KonnecttzIT. So that's it guys, so nothing else it just need to copy the IDs and paste it inside KonnecttzIT. And now let us start building our workflow. So by clicking on create connect, you don't need to authorize WooCommerce app because WooCommerce is a webbook enabled app. So just need to capture the data by placing a webbook manually. So I'll show you how to do that as well. So we are just taking WooCommerce order updates to WhatsApp. So now just drag and drop WooCommerce app. So based on the instructions provided, so here, so you have to follow the instructions and place your webbook manually and capture a test response. I will show you how to do that. So I will just select the trigger as order update. So I'll just select the trigger as order updated and copy the webbook URL and go to WooCommerce. So that is my application WordPress dashboard, and here in WooCommerce tab, so go to settings and in the settings click on advanced. After that, make sure you click on webhooks. So when you click on webhooks, it asks you this, so you have an option to create a new webhook. So just click on that, or you can click on add webhook. So just name your webhook. So I just named it as KonnecttzIT demo and make sure you enable that webhook status and you have to select the topic. So in this case it is order updated. So whenever there is an order update happen, so we have to deliver an message. So that for the example, you paste the copied URL from KonnecttzIT over here and you can leave the secret empty and also the API version. Just click on create webbook, save webbook. So this will save the webbook. Placement of webbook is successful inside your WordPress site. So now go to KonnecttzIT and just click on capture webbook response. So this will enable KonnecttzIT to capture the response from your WooCommerce site. So now let's go to WooCommerce site again and change the order notification. So just I need to search for an order. So all this is processing. So I'll go to this particular with my name Rakesh Mahesh and I'm going to change the order status from, you can say this, from processing to completed. So you can also do like a lot of other thing like processing and shipping, all these things you can just make sure you can follow that in your WooCommerce, and you can update the same thing inside for your customers as well via WhatsApp. So right now I'm just selecting as order completed and just click on update. So once I did that, so it will send an order details to KonnecttzIT. So let's go to KonnecttzIT. It will going to capture the response from WooCommerce. Make sure I click on update again. Yes, let's go to KonnecttzIT. So we will receive. Yes, guys. So you can see that. So we received an order update, and in the billing tab, so basically when you click on billing here, so you will get the billing details of the customers. So let's click on this drop down. Yes, you can see that we have the name and the company name, address, and also the email ID and the phone number. So we have all the details, so make sure we get the details. So now I just need to drag and drop WhatsApp app. Just drag and drop WhatsApp app and select your account and select the action as send template message. So how to create a template message I also explained in my previous video. So I will just show you how the template message look like. So I just click on send template message. So it will give me an option to choose the template. I just select as ebook payment, and it asks me for the language code, and it gives me the details where I can need to send the to, and header document URL and the file name, body field 1 and body field 2. Let's see what are this body field 1, 2 and also header document. So let's go to the template message. So how to create the same thing I explained in my previous video. It's very simple. You have to click on create message template, and you have to add the header, body and also the footer. So this is how my WhatsApp message look like. You can see that it says dear John, thanks for purchasing, and it's sent via WhatsApp. So, sorry, KonnecttzIT, and also it given share feedback CTA. So basically header. So I just selected as media and I added as document. So in the document I can share any PDF document like an invoice, receipt, or anything. You can basically you can just send that to your customers, and it says that like dear and the name. So basically the variable 2 is the name, and it says thank you for purchasing the product name. So I just added as a variable, and we value your feedback, would like to learn more about your experience. And footer I added as sent via KonnecttzIT. So the same preview is available here. And at the last I added a CTA which redirect to my website. So this is how you can create a template message. How to do that and get an approval? Hardly it takes 3 to 4 seconds to get an approval if it is not going to manual review. So basically if you follow the guidelines, so you will get it approved in 3 to 4 seconds via Facebook. So now let's go to KonnecttzIT, and we know that what and all things to be given to WhatsApp. That is my number. So the customer number we are just giving it, and also the document URL. So you can send an invoice or you can send an ebook. At this moment I'm just sending an ebook, so you can even send an invoice as well. So basically any PDF document, and then I just say like KonnecttzIT. And the body field one is, we know that it is a product name, so I'm gonna add a product name as the company name, or you can either add anything manually too. And also we need a name, so I'm just adding a name to my, so the body field, that is 2. So once I done that, so what I gonna do is I'll be clicking on this button, so everything will be merged upon. Yes, so now we have all the details, guys. So now I am going to hit on test and review. So it will going to send me an WhatsApp message. So let me go ahead and hit on test and review. Yes, you can see that the message has been sent successfully and I received an WhatsApp message too. Let's go to yes. Yes, it is saying the file name as KonnecttzIT demo, which is what we had given. And I have an option to download this. So when I click on download, so it will going to download it in my local system, and I could able to open the same thing. So basically the same PDF which I have given the ebook. And now it says, dear Rakesh, thank you for purchasing. You can see that variables has been replaced by a name which we had given inside KonnecttzIT. And it also says we have value of feedback, and it says the footer is sent via KonnecttzIT, and it has a, like basically it has an share feedback button where it will redirect to my website. When I click on this, you can see that. So basically this is how you can send a WhatsApp message. So whenever your order status has been changed inside WooCommerce. So let's go ahead and publish this connect. So my Konnectz is successfully published. So now I'm gonna, so let me test this particular automation. So let's go to WooCommerce again. That is my site. And so this time I'm gonna use John Doe. So let me change the status of John Doe to processing to completed and click on update. So let me do the same thing for other order as well, so that let's see how it is working. So let's go to Robot Matthew and let me change this to completed again. Yes, our orders are published, guys. So now let's go to our WhatsApp and just see for order update. Yes, guys, so you can see that we received an order that is for John. Dear John, it says KonnecttzIT demo, same similar to the earlier message. So it says thank you for purchasing John Doe company. So basically, I added the company as same thing, and we value your feedback and would like to learn more about your experience. Similarly, this says for robot as well. So this is how you can actually send an WhatsApp message from your WooCommerce order updates. Hope you like this integration, and if you have any questions on this particular integration, do drop me on the comment section below, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.